Yo, what is good fam? It's Crypto G here with Elite Wealth Strategies, and today I'm going to show you how to create a MetaMask wallet. Just for a quick disclaimer, we are not affiliated with MetaMask whatsoever. I always recommend starting on Twitter or X. So you click here, search up their name, MetaMask, and then I recommend going here for any links because you can tell if it's a verified account, and this here is an official organization on X. So you can get all their links here, and here's their MetaMask where you would go to download it. And I already have it downloaded, so it would originally say download or add an extension, and then you add it to your computer, laptop, or whatever you may be using. You can actually have a mobile MetaMask as well. And then once you do that, it'll get to here, and then you just agree to these terms, and there's a few things there. Create a new wallet. Again, if you want to pause this and read it, go ahead. I've read this before, so I will click agree, and then you type in your password. Now you want this to be something that you will always remember, and make sure you write this down instantly, because if you forget, you understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for you. So you press create new wallet, and then you're gonna want to secure your wallet there. So I'm not going to show this part, so we can pause it right here. And then I will show you guys what to do after this. Okay, and we're back. So it's going to give you 12 words. Make sure you write those down instantly, because it will give you a little quiz after on a few words to make sure you actually remember it, because that's how, if you have to get a new laptop or you want to download it on a different device, you can enter the same wallet using that seed phrase. So let me share my screen again. Wallet creation successful. You click got it. Your MetaMask install is complete. Click next. Your MetaMask install is complete again. And then now you're in. So you can learn more. You can go in and do some research and how you can store, and a little bit more about MetaMask. And but again, we are not affiliated with them whatsoever. And then this is where you can receive some ETH and so forth. Thank you guys for listening in today. I appreciate it. Now you know how to create a MetaMask. DM us or comment down below if you need any help. Thank you.